Okay, hello first graders. Today we are working on our reteaching lesson of topic 3. We're looking at page 217. So reteaching means that we are at the end of this topic. All right, so we're going to be moving on to topic 4 very shortly by the end of the week, which is super exciting. So I'm going to go ahead and share my workspace with you. You could see I'm on page 217. And today we're only going to be doing the first 4 sets, sets A through D. So I'm starting here at set A. And what we're going to do is look at the first example together. And then I'm going to have you work on the other ones independently. Okay, but we'll do the examples together just to make sure that we go over each of the concepts before our assessment, and that's going to be on Wednesday. Okay, so if we look at set A, the directions say you can use an open number line to help you solve an addition equation. All right, so those are our directions, and then the story starts. You can read with me in your book. Kara has 10 coins. She gets 8 more coins from her friend. How many coins does Kara have now? Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and identify my important information to begin with. I know she has 10 coins, and I know she gets 8 more. And the question that they ask is, how many coins does she have now? So I'm going to be taking those two numbers and I'm going to be adding them. So we have the equation set up here. 10 plus 8 equals something. It's a blank for our sum. Again, they asked us to use an open number line on this strategy. So here you can see they started the number line and it was started at 10 because 10 is our first add-in. Okay, and we know we need to take 8 jumps because 8 is our second add-in. So I'm going to go ahead and start here, and you can jump with me as we go. You can count with me. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And notice they landed at, 18. Okay, so now I can fill in my equation. 10 plus 8 equals 18. And now Kara has, I'm going to fill in the sentence, 18 coins. Okay, all right, so there's our example. And then you're going to work on this one independently. Okay, I think you guys are going to have great success with a lot of what we're doing today because when we're working on number spirals, we talk about a lot of these strategies. You've had lots of practice with it, which is great. So this should be a lot of review for you, okay? You guys are learning a lot about how numbers work. Okay, so set B, we're talking about doubles and near doubles. So it says a doubles plus 1 fact is a doubles fact and 1 more. All right, so here's our tower. And the blue is representing 7 plus 7. Okay, 7 plus 7 is a doubles, and the sum is 14. Okay, so if we have that doubles in our long-term memory, 7 plus 7 equals 14, that can help us with the equation that they give us, which is 8 plus 7. Notice 8 plus 7 is just 1 more than 7 plus 7. You can see they added 1 red cube to the tower of 7. So if I know that 7 plus 7 equals 14, then I know that 8 plus 7 equals 50. Okay? Okay, and again, they're going to give you 2 additional sets to do independently. You can see it starts with a double, 5 plus 5, and then it moves to a double plus 1, 6 plus 5. Okay, so you're going to solve for both of these sets. All righty, guys, moving ahead. Sets C and D are on the next page. So here I have set C, and this is just the next step after doubles plus 1. So at the top it says a doubles plus 2 fact is a doubles fact and 2 more. Okay, so last time we looked at 1 more, this time we're looking at 2 more. So again, they started just with the same doubles, 7 plus 7, and that's shown with the green cubes. and that gives us a sum of 14. So if we know 7 plus 7 equals 14, then that can help us with 9 plus 7, because you can see that 9 is just 2 more than 7. Okay, so if 7 plus 7 gives us 14, then 9 plus 7 is going to give us 2 more for a sum of 16. Okay, all right, so once again, you have your independent work here with numbers 4 and 5. All right, and then the last set D, you can make 10 to add. And we, again, have worked with a lot of 10 frames in our number spiral as well. You guys are getting really good at making a 10. So my equation is 8 plus 6 equals something. They're using yellow and red counters. So 8 is represented with the yellow counters. We know if the whole first row is filled up, that's 5. So 5, 6, 7, 8 is filled in with yellow. And then we're going to use red for the second add-in, which is 6. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. All right. So was I able to make a 10? I sure was. This whole 10 frame is filled up. And then how many did I have in addition to that? 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. So another way of thinking of 8 plus 6 is to think about 10 plus 4. Our brains love adding with 10s, right? 10 plus 4 gives us 14. If you want to double check that, you can always scoop up that first add-in and add on the second add-in. So that would look and sound like this: 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, there's my 14. And if I know 10 plus 4 equals 14, that's just another way of thinking about 8 plus 6. And 8 plus 6 gives us the same sum, right? 14. Okay, what they did here is they showed you how you would have to move the 6 into the 10 frame. I skipped that part because we've already been doing that a lot, and I think it's more confusing at this point to think about it. So don't pay attention to that piece right there. Okay, and you don't have to worry about it when you do your independent one. So your independent work for that example is number 6. You're going to use the 10 frame to solve for 8 plus 7. Okay. All right, guys, so those are the 4 sets that we're doing today. Tomorrow we will do the last 4 sets, and then we'll be moving on to topic 4. How great is that? Okay. All right, if you have any questions, you can always reach out. We can talk about it also in our Google Meet. I'll see you guys real soon, and I hope you have a great day. Okay. All right, guys. Bye.